So hello everyone, again welcome back to my channel Pivotal Inquisition. So today we are going to have a look on the operators in Java. So operators in Java can be segregated into five categories. The first one is the arithmetic operator, the second one is the relational operator, logical operator and the bitwise operator. The last but not the least is the assignment operator. So if we talk about the arithmetic operator, we can learn this by using a code AR lab. Like AR is the arithmetic operator, relation operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is basically the bit manipulation, which we are going to study in detail in future. If we talk about the operators, there's the binary operator and the unitary operator. They are being segregated into two parts. Two operands. Binary means two. Unitary means one. So two operands mean plus, minus, multiply, divide, or modulo. Or unitary operator means you have just used one operand, either plus or the minus, but they can be come in two forms like plus plus minus minus. So these are the unitary operator. Here we are using plus only. We are using only minus only. So these are the unitary operand where there is one operand only, जैसे a plus plus b minus minus. Here two operands are there. Two operands in the sense a plus b. A and B are two operands, where in unitary operand there is A plus plus, where only one operand is there. Matlab, the increment is going to plus plus stands for the increment and minus minus stands for the decrement. So here the plus plus A plus plus, here increment is going to take place in A only. Here increment is going to take place in A plus B. It gives you an answer. Here increment in a plus plus. We will be further discussing about the arithmetic operator in detail. Like from this example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. So a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a by b, divide, multiply, minus, plus. Modulo here stands for the remainder. Remainder here, whenever you divide 10 by 5, so your remainder is 0. So similarly, if you divide 10 by 5, your quotient is 2, your remainder is going to be 2. So your remainder and the modulo is basically the same thing. Now if we move towards the unitary operator, that is a plus plus. Here a plus plus can also be written in this form. A is equal to a plus 1. Like the increment of 1 is incremented, and the decrement of 1 is increment of 1 is here. We need to look at the main thing as well. Like increment can be there after a, increment can be there before a. So if increment is there after a, then that is known as post increment. If the increment is happening before a, it is known as pre-increment. We can learn this with the help of two things like value use, value change. सबसे पहले a हम we can imagine this with the help of an example. Like if we are having a value int a is equal to 10 and int b is equal to a plus plus, so we make a two boxes like a is equal to 10 and b is equal to a plus plus. a plus plus मतलब कि पहले आप a को ए की वैल्यू बी में ट्रांसफ़र कर दो, ए की वैल्यू हमने बी में ट्रांसफ़र कर दी और फिर ए को प्लस प्लस करो, ना कि बी को. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. लाइक इंट ए इज़ इक्वल टू 10, बी इज़ इक्वल टू ए प्लस प्लस. तो पहले आपकी वैल्यू यूज़ हुई, फिर आपकी वैल्यू चेंज हुई. पहले आपकी वैल्यू यूज़ हुई, पहले आपकी वैल्यू बी में यूज़ हुई, फिर वैल्यू चेंज हुई किस में, ए में ही. लेकिन प्री इंक्रीमेंट में क्या होता है, इफ़ योर इंट ए इज़ इक्वल टू 10 एंड बी इज़ इक्वल टू प्लस प्लस ए, तो पहले क्या होगा, ए इंक्रीमेंट होगा, इंक्रीमेंट प्लस प्लस ए, मतलब बी में 10 नहीं जाएगा. पहले ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू प्लस प्लस ए है ना, तो पहले ए में प्लस होगा 11 और देन ए की वैल्यू बी में जाएगी. सो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच वी नीड टू लर्न. बस हमें जैसे कि सिमिलरली हैपनिंग इन इंक्रीमेंट. So if we write a minus minus like this, decrement, I have written something here wrong. It should be a minus minus, or yeah, minus minus a. These basically both are the same thing. So this was all about the arithmetic operator. So if we move to the relational operator has been further categorized into 3-4 parts. Nothing that. The main important thing in the relational operator is the assignment operator. Some people used to get confused if whenever we used to write the condition in if statement, if a value is equal to b, people used to write this. No, but here we have to write this a equal equal, because what equal operation do is a value of a and value of b, comparing the value of a and comparing the value of b. But here if we write a is equal to b, then whole the values of b are being transferring to a. So you have to basically understand very this is actually a very important thing. People used to get confused between equal a and a equal to b. So whenever you write a condition of if, you always write a equals equal equally double equal to assignment where the value of a is been compared to the value of b. If we write a equal b, then the value of a is transferred to b. We are not comparing those values, we're just transferring the value of a to the b. This was the basic meaning of this. Now if we move towards the equality operator, this is not equality, मतलब a is not equal to b, this is greater, this is less, greater than, equal to, yeah, these are the basic things. Like if 10 is not equal to 5, we know that not equal to 5 ये ठीक है, b a is equal to not, ये false, क्योंकि दोनों equal to, but ये तो हमारा non equal to का sign है, so this is also the basic thing. Then the third operator which we're moving to is a logical operator. Logical operator means and or not, and or not we already know. And हमने एक ट्रुथ टेबल बनाई हुई है 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. तो हमने एंड की टेबल में क्या होता है कि अगर आपके पास 1 और 0 है तो आपके पास 0 आएगा, अगर आपके पास 0 और 1 है तो भी आपके पास 0 आएगा, आपके पास 1 और 1 है तो आपके पास 1 आएगा, 0 और 0 तो आपके पास 0 ही आएगा. बेसिकली एन टेबल हमें क्या कहती है, मल्टीप्लाई. ओ टेबल हमें क्या कहती है, प्लस. नॉट क्या कहती है, नेगेशन. नेगेशन से अगर 1 है तो 0, 0 है तो 1. दिस इज योर लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर. सी हियर आई हैव आल्सो गिवन एन एग्जांपल. स्ट्रिंग ए एंड स्ट्रिंग 2, st1 or st2, st1 here can be stand for anything, true true true, true false false, false false false, false false true. So this is about the and operator, this is about the or operator. If we talk about the assignment operator over here, see the thing which I have explained over here in a relational operator, equal operation, the same thing is comes in assignment operator as well. Here is saying if we are writing a is equal to, then the value of b is copying to a. It is not comparing the value of a and b. This is the most important thing you need to remember in this lecture, is this or this thing only. So this is your plus equal plus equal minus. And one more thing, like we are writing a is equal to a plus plus, like this is the important thing which you need to understand. Like we are writing a is equal to a+1 को हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं. अगर यहाँ 1 ना 1 की जगह 10 हो तो हम क्या करेंगे, तो हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे a+=10, b=b-. अगर यहाँ पे सिमिलरली -1 होता तो हम क्या लिखते, b-, बट यहाँ पे 1 नहीं है, यहाँ पे द वैल्यू इज चेंज्ड. यहाँ पे 10 है, यहाँ पे 5 है. तो हेयर वी यूज टू राइट दिस इन दिस फॉर्म एज वेल, a+=10. मतलब ए के अंदर आप 10 इंक्रीमेंट करो, बी के अंदर आप b माइनस करो, बी के अंदर आप 5 माइनस करो. सो दिस इज द मेन थिंग विच यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. बस यही बातें हैं which you have to keep in mind. Like so we have covered all the operator in this lecture. So if this video is helpful for you, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well for the more updates. Thank you.